Ayan, done project. May caliper.
And dresser.
Bumaba ako. Ikot ako.
Cute ng ilaw ko guys, oh.
Ayan, may kortina na siya. May mga ilaw na. Ayan. Importante, may tubig na. Ayan. Isan ulit. Kalagay lang ilaw to kanina lang. Tara, baba tayo. Ikot ka. Doon. Sa baba. Ano ka? Uwi na tayo? Hindi. Sige, baba lang. Let's go. Kainin mo. Let's go.
Hi guys, yan. Baba na kami guys. Tour ko kayo guys. Hindi pa masyadong tapos guys, pero pwede na. Marami pang retouch. It's different.
Di ba? Akit ako pa rin.
So guys, bababa po tayo ng second floor. Watching kind of design. I open the door. I close the door. And I open the door. Yeah. So guys, this is the CR. Kahit ako guys, malinis naman ha. Yeah. Come. Follow me. Yeah. Guys, this is the CR, the simple CR. Importante may bowl. Ano ba?
May bidet.
Anong bidet? Yan. Oh my God!
Yung kwarto.
Ito naman nila ako ng bukas.
Kwarto. May awning. Para presko.
Ang the kwarto. Ang the window. Ang window. With screen. Protection sa labo. Mosquito protection. I open the window. I close the window. And I open the window. Yeah. And then, door going to terrace. I open the door and I close the door and I open the door. Hindi ko na-cover. Yan. Inayos ko kanina yan. Oh. Yan. Okay. And I close the door. And going to downstairs. Yeah. Follow me guys. Follow me. This is the simple light. Yeah. Third light. Yeah. This is the switch. Yeah. Like this. Like that.
Second floor. Ground floor.
Ground floor. This is the kwarto. What is this? Kwarto, guys. And the CR.
DVD rin yan.
Simple video. Yung CR natin guys ha. Yan.
Kina. Nih. Kina. Akit ako. Yan, God bless. Ingat lahat at mabuhay. Buhay.